Jerry is now 48 kilos. At 10 years old, he's supposed to be ano, only 33 kilos for a 10 years old, but he is 48 years old. Somebody's looking for grandmother Lina. It's Joy Nick, the counterfeit of Floor Nick. Where is she? Hello, Jerry. How are you doing? You're an overweight, but I love you. I love your eyes. It's so big. Wow, your eyes are big, and your nose is so, and your lips. Wow, you're so poggy. You're so poggy, Jerry. Jericho, and your arms. Wow, it's so strong. Jerry, how are you, Jerry? Don't eat that. Don't eat that. That's food. Jericho. Ismael, pang-anime yun. Ay, ang cute! Ay, ang pogi! Ay, ang beautiful eyes! Ay, ang beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes! Close open! Close open, Jerry! Close open! Close open! Close open! Close open! Close open! Ha? Kanta ka daw, kanta! Kanta! Ayun na! Ikaw na kumanta! Kanta! Bibigyan ka ng piso. Count. Count. Magpapaya yun eh. Count. Ayaw naman na itong performer mo eh. Manong ka talaga, Manong Jerry. Ang pogi, oh. Wow, ang pogi ni Kuya Jerry. Uy, nakakainabang din. Oh. Wow, big guys. Yeah, what you doing? Pakit daw, pakit. Ew, cute. Asan ang pogi? Hoy, pogi. Ayaw niya talaga.